So why did the French say Noël for Christmas? Where does this word come from? So we'll get to the word origin in just a second, but first things first. How do you say Merry Christmas in French? The standard is to say Joyeux Noël. Joyeux Noël. Notice here that the word Noël is grammatically masculine, so the adjective is in the masculine form. Joyeux Noël. It's also common to hear something along the lines of happy holidays in French, which is bonne fête, bonne fête. Notice that the word fête is grammatically feminine, so the adjective is feminine, and in this case, plural, because the word's plural. So, bonne fête, happy holidays. You might even hear or see joyeuse fête, joyeuse fête. Another question that arises around the word Noël is it grammatically masculine, le Noël, or grammatically feminine, la Noël? The answer is both. The standard and most commonly used form is the masculine, le Noël, but the feminine form, la Noël, is also used in some places of the French-speaking world. So you might hear or see either one. The belief is that la Noël is derived from the phrase la fête de Noël, which is the celebration of Christmas. And in this case, the words fête and de are omitted, so you simply have la Noël. So bottom line, don't be surprised if you see la Noël. If you look up the definition of Noël in a French language dictionary, you'll find something along these lines. La fête chrétienne, so the Christian feast or celebration, d'origine romaine, of Roman origin, qui, that, célèbre, celebrates, la nativité, the nativity or the birth of Christ. So I've shown you the definition here because it relates directly to the origin of the word Noël. So here's the origin. So Noël comes from Old French Noël, pronounced as one syllable, Noël, a variant of Naël, ultimately from the Latin word natalis dies, which literally is birthday, natalis dies. So the word Noël is derived from the word natalis. This is the most commonly accepted explanation among linguists. There is another and less popular theory that there's a connection to the Latin word novella, meaning new, referring to the news of the nativity or the birth of Christ. Note the English version of the word Noël, the older versions with a W and a U here. And again, this is not the most commonly accepted theory. So whatever the origin is, if you celebrate Christmas, then Merry Christmas. Joyeux Noël. Joyeux Noël. Joyeux Noël.